This is the MSI RTX 4070 Gaming X Trio. Today we'll be unboxing and installing this powerful new graphics card from Nvidia. Coming in at $640 US, this upper mid-range card is a great option for 1440p gaming and video editing. The MSI RTX 4070 uses a PCI Express Gen 4 interface. It comes with 12GB of GDDR6 memory and has 5,888 CUDA cores. This model comes with a 3-fan design that keeps the temps low on this already power-efficient GPU. The fans are of a special design and virtually noiseless. Keep watching till the end to find out why we chose this specific model. This GPU comes with 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port, and it can support a maximum resolution of 8K at 60 FPS. The installation process is fairly straightforward, but may take some time. After taking off the rubber cover, insert the card into the motherboard's PCIe slot. I am using a C690 motherboard from MSI and a 750 watt power supply. Nvidia recommends at least a 650 watt PSU for the Founders Edition of this card. You can expect a max power draw of just 200 watts at 100% usage. Connect the PCIe power cable to the power supply connector. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, remember to hit that like and subscribe button below. It really does help our channel. Because this is a pretty large unit, it might be a tight fit inside your case. If you have a smaller case, a dual fan design such as the Asus TUF Dual OC might work better for you. The GPU's power interface is a 16-pin cable. This can be connected to the power supply with 2 PCIe 8-pin connectors. If your system does not come with a spare PCIe connector cable, you can buy one of those from Amazon. Click the description below for a link. Finally, tighten the screws holding the bracket and video card in place, while lining up the display ports with the outside of the case. The bracket and video card will use up 3 slots on the case. A magnetic screwdriver helps a lot during this process. Now the installation is complete, and this is how our finished build looks. The specs are listed in the pinned comment below if you're curious. The RGB in the dark does look pretty fantastic. After booting up the PC, the GPU is not recognized. Install all the drivers from Nvidia and MSI and then reboot the PC. The GPU should now be operational and listed in your system specs, whether that be in the BIOS or Task Manager. We chose the 4070 instead of the 4060 Ti or 4070 Ti because of its great value and power. Compared to the poorly received 4060 Ti, the 4070 offers more performance, a 50% increase in VRAM, and a significantly faster memory bus. Meanwhile, the 4070 Ti is priced around $800, which is a significant increase compared to the non-Ti version. The FPS increase in most games is only around 15 to 20%. And that is the only noticeable difference between the two models. If you're paying $800, 12 gigs of VRAM is just not a good value. So, comparatively, the 4070 offers a better value and performance compared to the latest generation of GPUs. I hope this video was helpful in your installation. If you have any questions about it, please comment below. And again, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.